Alright guys, this right here is why you always wear your PPE. Your face shield and, man, preferably a cheap leather apron from Harbor Freight. It'll save you. I have my work piece too far out in the bias, and it got the vibrating, cause that wheel. And D-Walt don't feel nothing but D-Walt, y'all. So I done spent that money right there for no reason. But I ain't gonna get to do no cutting today because my bandsaw just won't handle that. So I got some more cut-off wheels on the way, y'all. And we'll get back on this piece next weekend. And this little jewel right here, man, aside from getting married, buying my house, this is the bomb diggity right here for a tool. Alright y'all, I'm gonna get in here and do some little old work. I'll bring y'all along to see a little bit of that. I got a glue up to do and 2 more knives to finish. We'll try to get that done today. This ebony wood is so dense, y'all, that if you're gonna do anything to it without burning it, you need a sharp belt. All of your dark, oily hardwoods, you're gonna need a sharp belt. You're gonna go through some belts, but whenever you get done, it's worth it. And the belts that you do kind of clog up, they're not done yet. They're just, that's what you use for hogging off material. They still have life in them. Guys and girls, a light touch on this kind of stuff will serve you best. See how that's burnished that? And I'm gonna leave this like this because I want a decent handle to fit a hand good. Now we're gonna go and move over to clean it up for the glue up. I, off camera, got everything cleaned up and, ready for the glue up. flatten out the scales. You always want to make sure your scales are flat so you don't have gaps. Guys, I don't put none on the knob 90% of the time. If it's just a little everyday small thing like this, all you're gonna do is squeeze out that epoxy that you got in there, and that's pretty much all that's gonna happen there. Than I expected. For the long cure epoxy. Here, guys, it's all about how you hold your mouth sometimes. You want a good tight fit on these pins like this. You know, 'cause like I said, you put it on the knob and you see I put some on the scales there. Had me a good old time. And there you have it. She's another glue up. That's all about the cleanup now, y'all. Don't want that epoxy that I just got all over the blade to dry on the blade. there you have it. We're good to go, man. I'll see y'all whenever this dries enough for me to work it. Alright guys, now we're gonna sharpen up this little old piece that we did yesterday. Kind of cute, huh? Now we're sharpening it. You take a pretty worn 120 grit. And always touch it to make sure she's not too hot, right? Alright, now we have an even micro bevel on this thing, and we're going to put it on the work sharp. There we go, guys. Alright guys, I don't think y'all going to be able to see this on camera, but there's a burr on the side that I've been sharpening against. And that's how you know it's time to go and flip it over and hit the other side. I'll get back with y'all when this is done, man. Alright guys, y'all see she got a good edge on it there. All I'm gonna do is just do clean up with that 800 grit paper. Then we'll make a sheet for her, and that's gonna go for about $75 right there. This is made for just about anything. It's strong, tough, stainless, light, and a real game hunter can use that to skin any kind of animal, really. That's about all you need. All right, y'all, thanks for coming along with this one. As she gets dry, you know, we're gonna go ahead and clean up the knife. She's sharp. Ready to go, y'all.